Hey guys, it's super windy, but we're out here in Muskogee, Oklahoma. These are our first projects we've got to do out here. Beautiful property, nice and open. They just got done building their barndominium, and they're getting ready to add a big gable over this. So as you can see, we got a lot of grade work to do. He had all this soil left over from the house construction. So we're gonna take this, push it back this way. We're gonna grab that pile and pull it over here and build a real nice berm. So we've got a real good slope coming down towards our basin, so we can get the waterfalls facing the sitting area, which is awesome. And it's gonna be even more awesome when they get their big gable over the sitting area here. They've got these really cool palm trees, and the coconuts on them are actually lights to their low voltage wire. So the palm tree lights and the waterfall come on at the same time. Got some gorgeous rock for this project. Some nice mossy sandstone boulders from Worcester, Oklahoma. And we're gonna be using them to make a really awesome Pondless Waterfall for this cool backyard. We're gonna push all this over that way and track back and forth and get it compacted down nice and good. And then we're gonna start moving, bucketing that with the MT, which River's on right now. We're gonna start bucketing that over here to make this a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. First things first, let's move some dirt. All right, so we've got the basin installed. Guys pulled the liner back. Johnny's putting the pump and check valve in. We're gonna start rocking in the basin, get our first frame rocks and waterfall set. Then we'll start cutting in the stream, working our way back. Building tip of the day: if you're ever doing a bulkhead fitting like this, where you have to actually go through the liner with it, it's always a good idea to put a piece of EPDM, which is what Johnny's cut. Put a piece of seam tape like this. Mark where you're gonna go through. It makes a little circle. And you'll seam this or weld this to there. And then that keeps this liner from twisting and getting goofy on you whenever you're tightening on your... If you ever have to put a bulkhead through your liner, it's always a good idea to put a piece of seam tape. We use a 6/8 cover tape, and we'll actually, where this bulkhead's gonna go through the liner, we'll cut a hole and we'll put a piece of tape. That way the liner doesn't roll up or bunch up on us whenever we're putting it in. I'll show you. Push it where you want it to go through. It leaves a little circle right there. You take your cover tape, I'm gonna weld it on right there. That thickens up that liner, so whenever you start tightening your nut, it won't twist up on you.